Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Transport Corporation of India. Our analyst upgraded TCI to buy with an unchanged price target of Rs 1030 after the stock price correction following his report dated 5th February of 2024. TCI continues to look at new smaller ship acquisition and possibly a larger one too, after the recent cancellation of the contract for 2 new ship acquisition owing to challenges in the economic stability of the shipbuilders. India's manufacturing push, with large manufacturing firms focusing on core competencies, offer a high growth opportunity with expected outsourced logistics services. The management retains its top line and bottom line growth guidance for FY24 and FY25 at 5 to 10% year-on-year and 10 to 15% year-on-year respectively. We expect freight to recover in FY25 while SCM stays strong. Next we cover Granules India. We maintain buy with a price target of Rs 500 on Granules as margins are near to its all-time high led by increased traction in the value-added products. The management believes that the contribution of the FDF segment will continue to remain higher and that the North American region will drive growth in the near term, followed by the European region in the long term. The management is confident of sustaining about 20% plus EBITDA margin in the mid to long term, driven by complex product launches, increasing clinical trials in phase 3 and 4 from earlier phase 2 trials, commercialization of pilot projects of DCDA and PAP, and 4. Easing of input cost. The company expects leadership in key molecules like metformin and paracetamol by setting up backward integration plant of key KSM, DCDA and PAP. Hence, we maintain buy on the stock. At the current market price, the stock trades at an attractive valuation of 18 times FY25 and 14 times FY26 earnings, and we ascribe a price to equity of 16 times to arrive at a price target of Rs 500.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.